Canvas has a fun new feature in the grading section. So as you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and give my student their grade. And next to the grade, they have the little happy emoji there. And I'm gonna go ahead and click it. And now you can give your students stickers, just like in the old days when teachers would put stickers on our papers if we did really well. There's not a ton of options, but enough options to go through to give to your students. And I think especially with your younger students, I'm gonna go ahead and give my student this one right here. You can see it pops up right there. And I think with your younger students, they will really enjoy this feature. Now, only if they had the scratch and sniff stickers. Those were my favorite when I was a kid.